Imagine a world where the price of Bitcoin is worth more than your annual salary at work. This isn't a far-fetched dream, but a reality for most Americans. Today, with the price of Bitcoin around $100,000, you could say that one Bitcoin costs the same amount as a luxury car or a down payment for a starter home. In this video, we'll examine some groundbreaking price predictions for Bitcoin in 2025. These forecasts range from cautiously optimistic to mind-bogglingly bullish, each supported by compelling arguments and data. Prepare to have your perspective on digital assets and wealth creation fundamentally altered. The base case: VanEck's $180,000 vision. VanEck, a global investment manager with a strong reputation in the financial world, has put forth a vision that's catching the attention of both crypto enthusiasts and traditional investors alike. Matthew Siegel, VanEck's head of digital assets research, anticipates Bitcoin will reach a high of $180,000 in 2025. This prediction positions itself as a middle ground estimate, surpassing a conservative outlook while remaining grounded in realistic market dynamics. What's driving this bullish yet measured forecast? VanEck's reasoning is rooted in several key factors that could propel Bitcoin to new heights. Institutional adoption stands at the forefront of this potential price surge. The investment firm predicts a significant increase in corporate Bitcoin holdings, projecting a 43% surge by 2025. This isn't just idle speculation. VanEck expects the number of public companies holding Bitcoin to jump from 68 to 100 within this timeframe. The impact of Bitcoin ETFs cannot be understated. These investment vehicles have opened the floodgates for institutional capital, providing a regulated and familiar avenue for traditional finance to gain exposure to the cryptocurrency market. As these ETFs continue to attract inflows, they could create substantial upward pressure on Bitcoin's price. But all that was just the base case. Let's talk about some really insane predictions for the year in the bull case. The bull case, Bitwise's $200,000 to $500,000 and more projection. As we venture into truly bullish territory, we encounter a prediction that could fundamentally reshape the global financial landscape. Bitwise Asset Management, a respected name in the crypto investment space, has put forth a forecast that's turning heads across the industry. Their wide-ranging prediction of $200,000 to $500,000 or more for Bitcoin by 2025 emphasizes the potential for exponential growth that many believe is on the horizon. Bitwise's methodology is rooted in a comprehensive analysis of market trends, regulatory developments, and macroeconomic factors that influence Bitcoin's price. They place particular emphasis on the importance of institutional adoption and the potential influx of capital through Bitcoin ETFs. These investment vehicles have already begun to revolutionize access to Bitcoin for traditional investors, and their impact is expected to grow substantially in the coming years. The upcoming Bitcoin halving event is another crucial factor in Bitwise's bullish outlook. This programmed reduction in the rate of new Bitcoin creation is anticipated to create a supply shock in the market. As the influx of new Bitcoin slows, the scarcity of the asset is expected to increase dramatically, potentially driving up its value. Government adoption of Bitcoin is also on Bitwise's radar as a potential catalyst for explosive growth. As nations grapple with economic uncertainties and the need for digital innovation in their financial systems, some may turn to Bitcoin as a solution. El Salvador's adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender could be just the beginning of a larger trend. The political landscape plays a crucial role. The potential implementation of a strategic Bitcoin reserve plan under a Trump administration could significantly boost Bitcoin's legitimacy and value. Jack Mallers, CEO of Strike, believes Trump could issue an executive order designating Bitcoin as a U.S. reserve asset on his first day in office. If the United States creates a strategic reserve, the game theory of Bitcoin would incentivize other countries to join in the strategy. The geopolitical implications of Bitcoin reaching these price levels are profound. At $500,000 per coin, Bitcoin's market capitalization would rival that of some of the world's largest companies and even some national economies. This level of valuation could position Bitcoin as a serious contender for the role of a global reserve asset, challenging the dominance of traditional currencies and gold. In such a scenario, the balance of economic power could shift dramatically. Countries with significant Bitcoin holdings could see their global influence increase, while those slow to adopt might find themselves at a disadvantage. The potential for Bitcoin to become a neutral, borderless reserve currency could reshape international trade and monetary policy. And finally, that brings us to the part of the video that you've all been waiting for, the Moonshot case. The Moonshot, Michael Saylor's $13 million vision. Prepare to have your perception of wealth fundamentally altered. We're about to explore the most audacious Bitcoin price prediction yet, courtesy of Michael Saylor, the renowned Bitcoin maximalist and visionary. Saylor, the former CEO of MicroStrategy, has positioned himself as one of the most bullish voices in the cryptocurrency space. His prediction? A staggering $13 million per Bitcoin by 2045. At first glance, this forecast might seem impossible, even ludicrous. But Saylor's reasoning is rooted in a deep understanding of Bitcoin's potential and the concept of hyper-Bitcoinization. He believes that Bitcoin will deliver a 29% annualized return over the next 21 years, driven by increased adoption and decreased volatility. As more investors flock to Bitcoin and its price stabilizes, Saylor argues that it will become an even stronger capital asset compared to traditional investments like the S&P index. The concept of hyper-Bitcoinization that Saylor supports suggests that Bitcoin could absorb the value of all other assets, fundamentally altering the global economic landscape. This isn't just about Bitcoin becoming a popular investment, it's about Bitcoin potentially becoming the world's reserve currency. Imagine a future where nations hold Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and as a strategic asset. The implications are staggering. To put this prediction into perspective, consider that the total global wealth is estimated to be around $431 trillion. Bitcoin's current market cap of approximately $800 billion is a mere fraction of this. If Bitcoin were to capture even a significant portion of global wealth, Saylor's prediction becomes more plausible. The societal and economic implications of Bitcoin reaching such an astronomical value are profound. We're talking about a complete restructuring of the global financial system. The concept of wealth itself would be redefined. Those who adopted Bitcoin early could find themselves in a position of unprecedented financial power. The path to $13 million per Bitcoin is, of course, fraught with challenges. It would require a seismic shift in global economic thinking, widespread adoption across industries and governments, and a complete transformation of our current monetary system. Yet, Saylor remains confident. He's put his money where his mouth is, with MicroStrategy holding over 400,000 Bitcoins worth over $40 billion. Saylor's assertion that, quote, every Bitcoin you don't buy today is going to cost you $13 million in the future encapsulates his belief in Bitcoin's inevitable rise. While this prediction may seem extreme, it's worth remembering that paradigm-shifting technologies often exceed our wildest expectations. The rapid rise of the internet and mobile phones serves as a testament to how quickly new technologies can transform economies and create immense value. Whether Bitcoin reaches $13 million or falls short, one thing is clear: its potential to reshape our financial landscape is undeniable. As we navigate the uncertain waters of the global economy, Bitcoin stands as a beacon of innovation, promising a future where financial empowerment is accessible to all. From conservative estimates to moonshot projections, Bitcoin's future price remains a subject of intense speculation and debate. We've explored forecasts ranging from $150,000 to an astounding $13 million per coin. While these predictions vary wildly, they all point to one undeniable truth: Bitcoin's potential to reshape the global financial landscape is extraordinary. The future of finance is being written. Are you going to join the story? If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to Bitcoin Basics to never miss out on the latest videos. Click the link on screen to watch the next video from Bitcoin Basics.